Okay, in the last video, we looked at pattern fills. In this video, I want to look at gradient fills. And gradient fills just allow you to change the color of your cell, but in a gradient using two different colors. So from white to black, you know what I mean? It sort of slides from one color into the next. And it's a nice little effect. So let's come up to the top here, and from our same OpenPyExcel.styles line here, we can import gradient fill. And notice the G and the F are both capitalized in gradient fill. So, okay, let's come down here in our same file here. Let's go cell.fill again. Notice we had cell.fill for our pattern fill as well, but we do the same thing for gradient fill. And we set this equal to gradient fill. And this one's a little bit different. Inside of here, we pass something called stop equals, and then another sort of tuple looking thing. And you can put a comma there if you want, but you don't really need to. Now inside of here, we put two different colors. So this is where you want to start and stop. So let's head over to our website really quickly. And this is just our hex color picker. And again, you can use any hex color picker that you want. So I'm going to drag this over all the way up to the top to as white as can be. And that is F, 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 6 Fs. So I'm going to copy this and let's head back over here. And we want to start at white, for instance. And we want to go to, let's say, black. So I'm going to drag this all the way down here, and that's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So I'll copy this and bring this back. And notice these are zeros, like the number 0, not capital O, right? So definitely zeros. So, okay, let's go ahead and save this, and let's run this. So Python format.py, and then let's go ahead and open up our pizza3 file. And you can see now we get this cool gradient. So it's going from white to black, and very, very interesting. We can, do the opposite if we want. We could change these colors around. So we could go 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then change these to F, 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 F. We save this and run this guy again. And then open up our pizza3.xlsx file. Boom, now it starts out black over here and goes to white, and that sort of gradient sort of looking fill. So very, very cool. So, play around with this if this is your thing. If you want your thing to look like this, you could do all kinds of different things. So let's change this to, let's go to a more sort of tan thing, and we could pick different colors of tan. So from lighter tan, obviously I'm not a designer, so don't take my word for this, but just showing you some things you could do, to a sort of darker tan down here. Copy this, bring this over. It doesn't have to just be white and black. It could be any colors that you want. That's kind of fun. So head back over here, run this guy again. And if we open up our pizza3 file again, we get this sort of light tan to dark tan. I don't know, that looks kind of nice. But whatever you want, really easy to do with the gradient fill. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we'll look at changing borders.